Juancho is helping me out with his thick legs. I got this question over my social media, and the question was, how do I finish my footlocks? One thing you have to understand is when you talk about footlocks in general, the target is this region, but you have to engage the entire leg. So I'm going to use the traditional one. So one leg is here, and this foot is connected to the hip. Now I am going to point my knees outside. Equally important is you pinch. When you pinch your knees together, that increases the level of connection that you have with not just the surface, but your training partner's leg. Common mistake pagdating dito, walang pinch, walang connection, tapos they keep yanking and cranking. Another mistake is once they're here, they stretch out. Pataas yung movement. Another one is this, they finish off their footlocks here. The amount of leverage that I can generate in order to finish the footlock is very, very low since I'm on my elbow. Versus, this is the key. I latch on, I pinch, and then I go on my shoulder. So even without whatever grip that you want to finish, the moment I go on my shoulder, yan, see, meron na. So there are two ways that you can do this. I land on my elbow. So now I'm gonna drive down towards my shoulder. Higher level guys, once they're here, they latch onto it, they tuck their elbow in, and then they immediately drop on their shoulder. See? So the moment that happens, you get the submission faster. Once you drop on your shoulder, and then it's not working, then that's the time you can slide up. So I hope that helps. Come train with us here at DefTech Makati. Get your Tap Culture merch. Maganda siya, in fairness. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.